A Doll Guide. Chapter 1. The World of Dolls. Doll Magazines. Dollmakingartisan.com. Dollhouse Miniatures. 21027 Crossroads Circle. POB 1612. Waukesha, Wisconsin 53187. dhminiatures.com. Dolls Magazine. 170 5th Avenue. 12th FL. NYC 10010. 800-588-1691. Dollsmagazine.com. Doll Making Magazine. Jones Pub. N7450 Onstad RD. POB 5000. Iola, Wisconsin 54945-5000. 715-445-5000. Dollmakingartisan.com. Master Collector Newspaper. 225 Cattle Barron Park Drive. FT. Worth, Texas 76108. 800-772-6673. MasterCollector.com. National Institute of American Doll Artists, NIADA. Box 656693. Fresh Meadows, New York 11365. 970-824-8407. Eniata.org. Dolls, Children's, and Collectibles 1. UFDC.org, United Federation of Doll Clubs. AFDM.org. IDMadolls.com. ODACA.org. OPDAG.com, Paper Doll Artists. CLogo.com. American Girls Collection. 800-845-0005. AmericanGirl.com. Apple Valley Doll. 800-635-7933. AppleValleyDolls.com. Ashton Drake. 854 Golf Lane. Bensonville, Illinois 60106. 800-346-2460. AshtonDrake.com. BarbieCollectibles.com. 800-491-7514. Biggs Limited Editions. 5517 Lakeside Avenue. Richmond, Virginia 23228. 800-637-0704. BiggsLTD.com. BJCraftSupplies.com. 956-262-3719. Circuit Concepts. 32 Wood Lake Drive Southeast. Rochester, Minnesota 55904. 800-676-4252. CIR-KITCONCEPTS.com. Wiring for Dollhouses. Cloth Doll Supplies. 800-250-5075. SistersandDaughters.com. Creative Wholesale. 800-347-0031. CraftsWholesale.com. DollsandBeIreland.com. 800-359-9541. Dollsville.com. 800-225-2327. Dollmarket.com. 800-432-DOLL. Dollsdolls.com. 800-648-3655. Dolls, Children's, and Collectibles 2. Ernie's Toyland. 671 Colusa Avenue. Yuba City, California 95991. 800-367-5733. Ernie'sToyland.com. ExpressionsDolls.com. 800-452-2480. FancyFrocks.com. 888-648-5289. GlobalFriends.com. 800-393-5421. HobbsDolls.com. 800-555-3952. LANES-TOYLAND.com. 800-421-8697. MottsMinis.com. 800-874-06 6222. nationalartcraft.com. 888-937-2723. tenderheart.com. 800-443-1367. Toy Shop. 1003 Sycamore Square, Midlothian, Virginia 23113. 800-447-7995. thetoeshop.com. weldonmuseum.com. 888-787-4686. Doll websites 1. dollshow.net. thedollnet.com. 1752company.com. AAAdollhospital.com. acenturyofdolls.com. afdoll.com. alexanderdoll.com. alldolls.com. alwaysglowbrightly.com. amandajane.com. americangirl.com. americanneedle.com. anewdoll.com. angelgoods.com. angelsunawares.com. annalie.com. AnnetteHimStedt.com. arlenesdolls.com. artdolls.com. artistdollrustiunique.com. augustmoon.org. authamarindiandolls.com. badog.com/asiandolls. barbie.com. barbiecollectibles.com. barbiecollectibles.com. bodderpine.com. b-g-dolls.com. bigsltd.com. brownsgallery.net. cabbagepatchkids.com. celiasanssusansdolls.com. chapmandolls.com. cheek-ums.com. childhoodfantasies.com. collectibledolls.com. collectorific.com. collectiblistoday.com. collectibletown.com. collectors-cottage.com. contemporarydollcollector.com. corbettsdolls.com. coraldolls.com. daddystrunk.com. donnaandherworld.com. designerscenter.com. dhminiatures.com. dollhouse miniatures. dialing4dolls.com. diansdollshop.com. didollies.com. dollcity.com. dollcorner.com. dollectables.com. dollery.com. dollexchange.com. dollfancies.com. dollfriends.com. dollgallery.com. dollglobalfriends.com. 800-393-5421. dollhaven.com. dollhouse.com. dollmagazine.com. dollmakingartisan.com. dollmarket.com. dollmenagerie.com. dolloutlet.com. dollpage.com. dollreader.com. dollsales.com. dollsbell.com. dollsbytwilla.com. dollsdollsandbears.com. dollshousmag.co.uk. dollshousmag.com. dollshouseworld.com. dollsinprint.com. dollsmagazine.com. dollsandbears.com. 888-452-3021. dollsonbroadway.com. dollsonline.com. dollstyles.com. dollsville.com. dollsworld.co.uk. dolltedymf.com. dolltreasures.com. dreamdollsgallery.com. elegantdoll.com. ellensdolls.com. enchantedattic.com. enesco.com. esophias.com. e-toyvillage.com. excelsiordolls.com. expressiondolls.com. fairytalesandbears.com. familyinc.com. fancy-faces.com. fancyworkandfashion.com. farthingales.on.ca. doll websites 2. foreverdolls.com. friendcompany.com. Frillsandfantasy.com, Gans.com, GeneDoll.com, Goatsdolls.com, Gotto-have.com, Hedgehoghandworks.com, Heloise.fr, HildegardGwenzel.com, Hobbsdolls.com, Hobbyhouse.com, hsndolls.com, idgm.com, idolls.com, janmcclain.com, janmcclaindolls.com, jeannordquistdolls.com, jonesdolls.com, junebrowndolls.com, catherinesonline.com, lanes-toyland.com, lanes-toyland.com, laughtondolls.com, leemiddleton.com, lency.com, laydolls.com, lindakaeast.com, lindaweb.com, lindsaysdollcottage.com, littleshoppy.com, lizziehi.com, llard.com, lookingglassdolls.com, lovablecollectibles.com, lulusdollworld.com, madamalexander.com, mariaaaron.com, mattel.com, michelleslittlefriends.com, miniworlddolls.com, monique.com, mundia.com, mydolls.com, my-friends.com, mytwin.com, 800-469-8946, custom-made doll, naturesrain.com, netdoll.com, netdoll.com, notjustdollsdallas.com, nurserywindow.com, paradisegalleries.com, pattonbilly.com, pattanbilly.com, pattanbilly.com, paulinecollectibles.com, plusdolls.com, pmcdolls.com, doll websites 3, pnbdoll.com, porteremporium.com, primrosepeacock.com, pulaskifurniture.com, collector cabinets, qohdolls.com, retarich.com, roberttunner.com, rodinimports.com, rollajoicastudios.com, roxandollshop.com, santafedollard.org, sealies.com, seymourman.com, seymourmandolls.com, she'slikeme.com, sonja-hartman.de, susanwakeendolls.com, thealcove.com, thehouseofdolls.com, thepotystore.com, dolls that pee, thetoyshop.com, toysandco.com, troolz.com, turnerdolls.com, universalstudios.com superstore, udkslep.com, voguedolls.com, waltershauser.com, westonsltd.com, zwurgnace.com,